This is Penny and Giles fader, used in the audio development mixers. To take it apart for cleaning, you have to push on little plastic tab gently, and the back panel will come out. But be very careful, because the plastic is sometimes very brittle. And pay attention to those square nuts inserts. Sometimes they tend to fall out. After cleaning, you put the back plate back in place. It clicks nicely. Especially if you put it right way. Now the cleaning itself. After you take it apart, I usually take a little cotton swab and use isopropyl alcohol to clean the tracks and the metal guides for the fader. To clean underneath the metal guides, you can use a little cotton rag, also soaked with alcohol. Now the lubrication. I use sometimes the white lithium grease. You have to put tiny amount, the key word is tiny. And then move the fader and try to spread it evenly all over the guides. The better solution is to use silicone semi-liquid lubricant, which is recommended by the audio development guys. Again, the key word is tiny amount, just enough to lubricate. Spread it evenly. And it's not a good idea to mix together white lithium and silicone lubricants. Some sources say it can be harmful to your plastic parts. Now you'll have to reinstall the fader and you're all set.